can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today, as you guys saw, I am going to be showing you guys this unboxing where I actually do have some pretty cool pieces, a lot of leftovers from the Supreme season I will be unboxing in this video. I also do have a couple pieces which I never even spoke about, and some brands actually sent me some fire items that I do want to show off as well. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Let's see if we could get this one to 60 or 70 likes for more unboxings like this. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. Comment what kind of videos you would like me to make in the future, and I will try my best to go ahead and get those out for you guys. I do want to say that if you're interested in getting any pieces similar to the ones that I showed you in this video, you should go ahead and check out Addict.io. They are an iOS bot which covers a lot of different stores, like 85 plus stores, including Yeezy Supply, Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, an endless amount of stores they do cover. Right now they are actually sold out, but if you're interested in checking them out, once they do restock, you do have to go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and join in on their newsletter. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm gonna start this video with this package right here, which I believe is Supreme since it does have this tape. We have two red box logos, then we also have this sticker, which is the Lay Bowery. To each his own. I'm just glad that I was able to get the sticker because I typically do like collecting the stickers, but this week I feel like I got, oh shit, I got a hat this week. I think I used this already. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but this is a fire hat nonetheless. I think it's the reflective panel hat. So this panel right here is reflective in the light, and it's just an all black Supreme hat with that Supreme on the back, simple logo on it. This is like a nylon mesh material, which I also do think is pretty cool. Fire ass hat, just another good addition to the collection. This Supreme season was crazy when it comes to hats, and I feel like this is another one that I definitely wanted to add. I'm wearing the S logo right now, which is another fire one. They definitely had a lot of heat. Next up, we actually have something that has nothing to do with Supreme. I actually found this pickup right here at TJ Maxx a little while ago. It does have the MK right here. If you guys know what that is, it is Michael Kors. I actually found this hoodie at TJ Maxx for like $30 if I'm not mistaken, and retail is $118, which is actually a steal. You could definitely find some really good items there, and this was before quarantine. I just feel like I never got to show it off, and now is a good time. It feels really good, honestly. It's like a French terry cotton, and this is something really cozy for the springtime, fall time. You could definitely pull this off with a banger pair of sneakers and you call it a day. But right here we do have a package from a brand that decided to send me some heat over. This brand is definitely fire. I've heard of it before, but I never decided to pull the trigger on some items, so we're gonna go ahead and cover them. This is the Reflections tee in the black colorway. This piece is actually fire, bro. I love the way that this looks. It has that floral pattern on the front. The quality of this t-shirt is actually A1 steak sauce. You got that flower branding inside, like this trippy looking mirror right there. You have these little butterflies on the back to accent it a little bit more. I feel like it gives it a nice flavor. It's kind of like a front panel, and then it has a back as well, which is really clean in my opinion. The materials on this are A1. If I do have a promo code, I will put it down below, and I'll put it right here for you. It even has like that Heron Preston vibe with the little tag at the bottom. Fire piece. Definitely excited about wearing this one. They also hooked it up with like this tote right here. This is a nice little accent. If you need to carry something, you just throw it in here real quick, and it looks nice with some fits. Honestly, I don't know if I'll personally be doing it, but it does say Aesthetic Studio right there. Definitely a good addition to the order. I love the fact that they actually threw this in there. I wasn't even expecting this, so it is a nice little touch. We have another piece right here. This is actually a hoodie, and this one was actually a banger. Yo, the quality on this is crazy. It's really thick, but it's soft at the same time. I don't even know how to explain it. You got like this little cat sleeping on the front. Then on the front, it also does have this tag, which is sewn in. I do like that addition because it gives it a little bit more of a pop. This is the Snow Globe hoodie in the black colorway. The printing is actually really smooth. This is kind of what I imagine Off-White to feel like. It's like a thick material, but it's soft at the same time. Fire piece in my opinion. I'll definitely be wearing this one. Now, last up, we got this hoodie right here, which is probably my favorite. I honestly forgot the name of this one. I think it's like the bubblegum hoodie or something like that. Not even gonna lie. Still looks clean though. You got that bubblegum on the front, then you got this big branding on the back. It kind of gives me like anime vibes. As you can see right there, there's like this little girl chewing on some bubble gum. It says 90s on it. I feel like this is a great cool summer night or like a spring night. Hoodie right here. Definitely sucks that it's white because typically I get these dirty mad easy. This one is clean, bro. I had to go ahead and get this one right here. You actually got something right here as well. It's like a little tab of gum. I didn't even notice it before, but it does have some branding on the sleeves. Nepupan. I feel like this is a fire hoodie. I kind of want to wear it, but it's so hot right now. Honestly, major shout out to Aesthetic Studios for sending me over these pieces. Super clean in my opinion. I probably will be wearing these a whole lot as soon as fall rolls in. I was gonna try them on right now, but it's so hot in here, bro, that I don't think I could do it. Like, if you guys are interested in seeing some of these pieces, I will throw them up on my Instagram as well. Major shout out to Aesthetic Studios for showing some love to the channel. But let's go ahead and get into the rest of this unboxing. Right here we actually have another piece, which I feel like I unboxed this already, but I guess I had an extra one. 2 Supreme box logos, and in here you have another Ziploc bag. Bro, I unboxed 2 of these already, so I'm not gonna really talk about it too much. Supreme on one side, Supreme Ziploc right there, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, bro. It's one of the zip top bags with the little Supreme box logo on it. Nothing too special. Supreme right there. Right here we have another package, which this one does come with 2 little spring tees. I'm gonna show you guys those real quick, and we do have a sticker pack in here, which, whoa, this one comes with a little marble sticker. We also do have 2 Motion logo stickers. These are definitely some of the best stickers that I have so far, getting added to the collection. If you guys would like to see a sticker collection, let me know. But we also got this sticker. Then we do have these 2 tees, one of them being the marble tee. I'm gonna crack this open for you guys. This is in the navy colorway. You got that Supreme branding on the front, and on the back you got the marble design. I didn't know that the colors change for every tee. This is actually fire. You got like that neon green on it. You also got that purple and like little hints of blue. This one is actually crazy in my opinion. Love this tee right here because it's subtle on the front. Fire piece. Definitely a clean color. Sleeper tee, low key. People slept on that one. Right here we have the killer long sleeve. This one is actually fire as well. This is like that banana yellow colorway. You got that Ichi the Killer on the front with the number 1 on the back. Then you got that Supreme branding on the sleeve. That's actually hard. This is probably one of my favorite long sleeves that I own. Low-key bummed out that I didn't get the purple, but this yellow colorway is hitting, bro. That one's gonna get a lot of wear. Definitely would look good with these Yeezy Wave Runners because they have like that banana yellow lace color. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this piece right here is sponsored by my girl. She actually gave me this for my anniversary. Low-key, I wasn't even gonna put it in the video, but I felt like I was missing some pieces, so I just decided to slap it on here. I'm gonna show it off real quick. This is my first piece from LV. Low-key, bro, I didn't even expect anything like this. You got the LV logo dead in center on the front right there. This slides out a little bit, and boom, you got more LV branding. Then inside the LV branding, I'm over here acting like this ain't even open, but it's been used already. You do have this LV wallet. This is actually hard, bro. This is like the black monogram logo. I am a huge fan of this one. I love the Damier logo as well, but this one is probably my favorite. It's super subtle. If you know, you know type vibes. You got LV branding on the front right there. This is the bifold. I really don't know how much this is worth or anything like that, but I do feel like it is a fire piece. A wallet is something that everybody should own, so major shout out to her for giving me this right here. Not really gonna talk about it too much, but just wanted to include it in the video because I also have this piece right here, which a company sent me before I even knew that she was doing that. If you can't afford that wallet, you should definitely go ahead and check out Exter Wallets. They make some super affordable, functional wallets over there. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys, and here you do have like the extra little paper, and inside the paper you have something that's super clean, bro. I always was excited to check this out, but I never got the chance to. This is one of those card holders. It does have their little logo right there. It's one of the card holders where you click it and it shoots the cards up. You choose which one you want, and then boom. This is definitely a clean piece. It has that extra logo on the front. Then you do have the extra logo on the back. You can fit some cards back here, and this is actually super functional. It has like a metal inside, so whenever you slide it, the cards don't get stuck. It's super clean and functional. Inside, it is like a little mechanism, which is like basically programmed to work exactly how it's supposed to. They come out super easy every time. If you're looking for a wallet that's not super expensive and it's something something that you would like to use on your day-to-day basis, maybe if you like using cards, this is the best way to do it. You just pick one out. You can fit a couple bills in here and a couple bills in between if that's something you are into. This is mainly for the people who are minimalist and like using cards more than cash. But in all honesty, I feel like this is a fire ass wallet that you can't go wrong with. This will be linked in the description as well. Make sure you go ahead and check out Exter for their super amazing wallets. These are actually clean, bro. I'm looking forward to using this and seeing how these exactly work on a day-to-day basis. You see how every time I click it, it just pops out. Let's say you're going to a restaurant, boom, you just $73.92. Just pop this open real quick, here you go, and you're good to go. That's actually really fire in my opinion. But now that we covered the wallet, I'm gonna go ahead and show off this last package right here really quickly because I have showed these items before. We do have this beanie, which is actually fire. This is like a creamish color beanie with that Supreme. It kind of gives me hockey vibes. Definitely a clean piece right here. I feel like this one will be a great addition to the collection. My favorite color beanie is this one right here because I feel like it works with everything. Right here we have another marble sticker. And then we do have these last two tees, which I feel like I have covered in the past, so I will get up out of here quickly. This is the Motion logo tee. I low-key already wore this one. Motion logo tee is probably one of my favorites, bro. This is never leaving the collection, especially since I did get it as a gift. This Motion logo right here is so fire, especially on this colorway. I just feel like it looks perfect on the ash gray. It's not that white, so it won't get as dirty, but I feel like this one is a must-have. And I feel like if you're interested in this tee, definitely buy it before the prices go up because they will go up. Like, this is a fire tee, bro, and people are sleeping. Like, I'm gonna just let people sleep because it is what it is. Last up, we do have this tee, which is the lizard tee. I don't even know what this is called, bro, which is the lizard tee in this gray colorway. You got like this big ass lizard on the side with like this grass, and you got the little watering can right there as well. Fire piece. This is the last pickup that I have in this video. I feel like this one will also stay in the collection forever. I love the way that this looks. The little green popping off of the gray just looks way too clean to let go. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a fat like on this one down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments by just letting me know, bro. I will give you a shout out if I do end up using your suggestion. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel